You want to go to the park? Do you? You want to go? You keep moving your head back and forth. That means no. Up and down. You gotta move up and down if you want to go to the park. Yeah, you want to go to the park. I don't know. I'm not sure if I should take you. You do. You want to go? Do you want to go now? Yes. Yes. Yes, you want to go. Oh, you chunky puppy. Oh, that's your butt. Hey, pal. What's up? What's up, pal?